Hey guys, so in this episode of Pierre Canic's Garage, we are going to fix the MX5 MK1 gauge cover or dashboard cover or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
That stuff.
This one.
That's right.
So we pulled this off of the Mark II that we've got as we're stripping it down, because this one's in perfect condition, whereas the one on the Eunos that we've got has a nice big crack sort of along here. So yeah, we just thought we'd swap them over. Everything else on the car is more or less the same, so it should just fit straight on. And it looks the same, so we'll find out in a minute.
Yeah. That's the crack we were talking about.
Some cracks are okay, but some aren't.
That's right. And
we'll take the
we'll take the roof down as well, just so that it's a bit easier to move and we get a bit more of light.
It's a good excuse for me. I'm all about any excuse to put the roof down.
It's probably going to pitch down in a minute, isn't it? As you can see. Oh! I can't hold my phone properly. But yeah, there we go. At least we get a bit more light in there.
First things first, unlike the Mark II, the Mark I actually has a few screws that you have to remove first. So there's one on each side here. And then the same on the other side. We're also going to have to take this cover off, and there's one screw holding this on as well, which is right here.
That
a
one,
fairly long screwdriver.
yeah, you can see the screwdriver completely disappear in there.
Yeah. Feels like it doesn't want to come undone.
Is it maybe too big of a thread on this one?
Could be. Let's have a look. Let's let me see it. It looks like the same type of screw. Where is it? Just trying to find the hole.
You need to aim for the middle of the star.
Yeah. That's do.
Ah,
Is that?
is it coming?
Oh, not even sure.
It's hard to tell from here because if you turn the screwdriver, then
I think it is.
yeah.
I think it is. Yeah, it is coming.
Just a hole that feel a bit loose, so hard to tell whether you've got it in or not, I guess.
Yeah, it's not normally a problem.
Hey, look at that.
Right.
Well done.
Got there in the end. Right.
Should be able to pop the steering column cover.
Right. I'll just sit in and make it a bit easier.
Interesting to see actually whether the crack is actually like, you know, they're going to have a part of it or they're still attached. And then we might try and fix it nice and easy.
That's it.
Look at that.
Okay then.
Nice bit of rust in there.
Yeah.
That's
all
how
I
you
did
know it's edge
with the other
well.
one. Just essentially just pull it. I've already unclipped it. So yeah, basically it's clipped on. You just pull it forwards to unclip it.
Yeah. Two clips, two screws at the bottom and then just yank toward you. In theory.
Catching on. That's it. Okay.
Gosh, and it does come apart, yeah, so we still have a little part in there, just yank on
There's
it.
a clip there, yeah, that it's in.
Yeah.
It's breaking off.
Well, that's one way of getting it out, but
Quite what I plan to do.
is the whole field or is all alright? Because the new
No, the hole's there. The hole's there, so that's okay.
oh yeah, right.
It
Cool.
just disintegrated, exploded.
And there's like a little sort of like seal around as well,
Yeah,
that we can just put it back in place.
it just exploded in my hands. Giggity.
You see? Yes, one way to take it off, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's like,
It's got less clips, this one, huh?
hmm.
The other one got more clips, so it'll be interesting to see whether it does fit in or not.
I hope so, because I just destroyed that one.
Well, we needed to replace it anyway, so...
Yeah, true.
But yes, this got a lot more clips to it, which is probably why it doesn't come with any screws.
Yeah. Also, the hole in the clips, the other side round on this one.
Oh. Yeah, so that's not going to fit, is it?
It's most probably not. No, that's as far as it will go. Oh, fuck's sake, they actually changed that.
Yeah.
It's the other way around.
So, you know, thanks Mazda, you couldn't have left those all at the same spot.
Oh, hold on a minute, these look broken off as well. Hang on. Okay, no, it's just disintegrated. I wonder if we can modify that to make it fit.
It's all the same, isn't it? And we thought this will be an easy video.
He's always the way. It's famous last words.
That's right.
Let's see if we can get it to even partially fit. Size-wise, it's not good actually.
Hmm?
No, it's not as round around here.
Oh, yeah.
Shit.
So I guess we better order MX5 covers then.
Oh, fuck's sake. Unless we can repair that other one.
Well, I mean, there is a lot of pieces of it now.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that, it just exploded.
No, well, it was already broken. The thing is that one, it's straight plastic.
Yeah.
There's no like fake laser on top of it or anything, so the sun does its job to it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, the clips for it are broken in as well.
Yeah.
Well, you know, could always have a fail video.
Could do, yeah. Well, it was definitely.
You know, the reality of doing things. And yeah, if anything, it's a good example as which episode I go on about how doing a bit of reading ahead of doing a job is quite useful.
It is, yeah. If whenever you don't, you cock up.
That's right. It
So,
looked like it was the same,
It's weird.
but
Yeah,
it
it looked
wasn't.
like it was exactly the same. And
And why has Mazda decided to like invert those two clips at the back?
yeah,
Goodness why.
just
But-
switched them round.
Yeah, the dashboard, even the angle is a bit different. They
Yeah.
look so bloody close.
It does. Just to look at, they look identical, don't they?
Yeah.
So yeah. So now you know not everything is transferable from a Mark II to a Mark 1.
No, but this one, if we could glue the back, the screws are enough
Yeah, the
to
screws
keep it in place. If we can at least glue that back,
We can wrap it. So it doesn't
smooth
see.
it up, or wrap it in like carbon fiber,
Yeah.
and then claim it's carbon fiber,
Yeah,
like
absolutely.
everybody does, you know. And you're like, oh, you know, yeah, that's just an upgraded carbon fiber. You know, we spent £500 on it, but you know, it's very unique and makes all the difference. Is it cracked as well here, or is that the shape? No,
I
that
think
is the
that's
shape.
the shape. So it is slightly different, but only when you actually try and put it in, you can see how different it is.
Yeah.
Oh well, fail video.
Yeah, see the side as well. Actually, you can already see the difference in the curve. And there you go, guys. So the answer of, you know, does a MX5 Mark II dashboard or gauges cover fit on an MK1? And the answer is
No.
no, it does not.
It looks almost the same,
Yeah.
but it's different enough.
Side profile,
Slightly different.
yeah. Obviously, when we did a check, we sort of look at the front. Which
Yeah, from the front they look pretty much.
It looks similar, but if you really look, this one is actually rounded here, whereas
Yeah,
this one kind of follow
this is
more.
flatter.
But when we actually tried it on top, like that, it actually fitted nicely as well. So to some extent, the bit here wouldn't really matter, but the curve here changed slightly.
Yeah.
And yeah, on Mazda inverted
Yeah, on
the
the
plug here.
on the Mark One, the clip and the plug are actually the other way around.
Yeah.
So,
Otherwise, I mean, we could probably maybe try to like adapt the edge to it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are basically just going to try on
Yeah, we'll try and repair that.
glue that, and then make it smooth and obviously wrap it.
Yeah. So
We are, you haven't seen many wrapping videos. There is a reason for
yeah,
that.
it's not very good.
But this one, we'll try to bring you even, even if, and I guess, if it's terrible, we'll just paint it.
Yeah. We'll get around it.
Yeah, we'll do something with it. So, just, well, there you go, That's why you do your reading first.
Yes, absolutely.
But, we like to find stuff out the hard way.
Yes. Yeah, we're very good at doing stuff the hard way.
That's right. It's always fun. At least now we know how to remove it and we know exactly what's broken, not broken. So,
Yeah.
anyway, guys,
Okay.
see you in another episode
Yeah.
where we fix that thing.
Yeah, like and subscribe and
That's right.
we'll fix it up.
If you like to know how to screw things up, subscribe below.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good at that.
That's right. But thankfully that was quick anyway, so we didn't waste it too much time.
Yeah.
But yeah.
All right then. See you in the next one.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.